But now she's got the best life with her brother and sister, huh? Mm-hmm. And how she got her name is my very first Great Pyrenees. Her name was Molly. And when we rescued her was the first day of autumn. Well, her name is Molly Autumn. But Molly was my very first Great Pyrenees, and she looks almost identical to her. Like, identical. And it was almost 10 years to the date. So I just thought that was just the perfect way to honor her and name her Molly Autumn. And I think she's like, I don't really know what her mix is. I think she's a Great Pyrenees mixed with a Labrador Retriever. I'm kind of thinking. And this is a Commodore Great Pyrenees. And the Murray over here is a Great Pyrenees Anatolian. She is a Great Pyrenees Anatolian Commodore. Put a whole bunch of snow on her face. I think it's coming down a lot harder. You just want to start running? Then go back in the house because it is getting really cold. Yeah, I think Autumn wants to play a little bit with Murray. I think Murray wants to go in the house. No, maybe he wants to play. Maybe he wants to play. He wants to play now. He's just a senior. He's only 7 years old, and he kind of takes a little bit. But I think he wants to play now. I think Murray wants to play now, huh? Yeah. You guys done? Oh, you guys done? I think Murray was done. I think Murray was done. Hello. How are you today?